We are Team Tim, and our first project is presenting on Global Airline Network. In this, what is this project about? This project explores airline rich data to understand how airlines connect to the world. In this, we wrote a code which follows four processes: data cleaning, merging, analysis, and visualization. The first part of our code will be delivered by my friend Nia IT.
Now, the first part of the code deals with more of the analysis of the information. So, what we need in this code was to merge, clean, and visualize it in terms of an interactive map. So, we use these libraries to help us do all that we want to do, which involves the visualization, the importation, and the um, um, cleaning of the information given to us. So now this is the following code, and let me play it as it's running. So yeah, so this shows that as the fellow graphs that we're going to be produced, which is the 10 airlines, the busiest, the geographic distribution of the airports, the activities. Yeah, and in the code you can see the isolated components, which shows that the components of the airports which are not much connected to other airports in the network. And then as we look, the code now separates the top 5 airports by degree centrality, the betweenness centrality, the closeness centrality, and then the top 5 airports by the page rank. It also states the number of communities that are detected in the network. It shows the top 5 super hubs and then the number of bridge routes. The code also shows the largest connected components in the network, giving us the super hubs in this such large components, and then also shows us the detected companies in the largest components, which are 10 separate communities. Sorry. Now this also shows the bridge routes in this large connection, and then it also shows the volume of the. Now after getting all this information, we used it to form an interactive map showing the networks, showing the airports and then their connectivity in the map. Now this is the second part of the code. This part of the code is used to the information that we got from the first part. We now have to integrate it and use and put it in the dashboard. Now this dashboard is filled with these codes, which are going to allow us to be able to segregate and categorize the airports in parts. Now after running the code, the dashboard dash here shows the comparison between the airports, showing the business intelligence charts, showing each and every airport what exactly the graphs are doing, and then also shows an interactive map, and then the filter using the countries and then the minimum degree centrality. And using this, we can even select the airport we want to compare, like here. Yeah.
This is the second part of our canvas, and I'm going to be taking you through how it works. My name is Emily.
And I am Tawana.
After inserting your unique ID and password, you log in. Now, here's the dashboard for the faculty. We have a vertical panel and a horizontal panel that shows the dashboard, the courses, and the analytics. So here you can see the courses one is taking and the recent submissions that have been made.
I'll take you through one of the classes. In one of the classes, you will see that when you click, you'll see all the previous assignments that have been published. Additionally, you can see that there's a notify students icon which allows the lecturer to send notification to his students. There's also a manage students option. This helps the lecturer enroll more students to his course. And let's dive to the analytics, where the lecturer will be able to track performance in all his classes, as well as the submissions which have been made in the entire course. Now we are going to dive into the student side.
Okay, and now we are at the student's dashboard, where we can see a student named Kofi Amor. We can see his upcoming assignments and the courses he's currently taking. When we look at the dashboard panel on the horizontal side, we can see that he has a new notification in his inbox.
So Kofi Amor can get to click to mark as read so that it doesn't show at the top, and he also can clear all the other notifications. So now let's explore what he sees in his classes. In his classes, we're going to explore the Introduction to Computer Science, where there are 3 assignments which have been published. As you can see, this lecture added a description for the assignment, the due date, as well as the name of the course. The assignment was graded and Kofi Amor got 90%. He was also given feedback by the lecturer, which is well done for his pleasant work. You can also preview the work that he has submitted so that he can be able to quickly revise and also get to see why he was marked wrong. Additionally, Kofi Amor can also decide to download his full file. So that is it for our project. Thank you very much for listening, and it has been a fun and interactive period during our semester long here at Ashesi, while exploring computer programming for engineering. Thank you.